Hello ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for tuning in. In this video I hope to shed some light on how plastic is going to kill you and your babies and how you contribute to the death of our planet every day. So buckle up and hold on because I'm going to show you why BPA sucks. Well, what is BPA? BPA or bisphenol A is a chemical monomer found in the resin of many plastics. It acts as a type of bonding agent between polymers during plastic production. The monomer is composed of 15 carbon, 16 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen atoms, making the molar mass 228.29 grams per mole. And for those of you who are wondering, it has a boiling point of 220 degrees Celsius, a melting point of 158 degrees Celsius, and a density of 1.2 grams per cubic centimeter. And now you're probably thinking to yourself, where can BPA be found? BPA can be found in almost every plastic you touch. It's found in water bottles, containers, pipes, straws, slides, bags, toothbrushes, and many more. BPA is also found in the water supply, the soil, and even the air. This is because plastics, like humans, begin to fall apart or degrade after a while. Degradation in plastics causes BPA molecules to leach into the environment. But how does BPA affect the world? After the plastic degrades and leaches BPA into the environment, whether it be by acid rain, erosion by water, or any other stresses that wear the plastic down, the BPA molecule finds itself surrounded by water molecules in an effect called imprinting. Once water has imprinted the molecule, BPA is virtually invulnerable to common filtration techniques and can easily be consumed. A research team at Johns Hopkins University studied the concentration of BPA in urine at many different age groups. They concluded that there was a higher concentration of BPA found in both males and females in their young adulthood years. So, who does BPA affect? BPA affects everyone. Because BPA can be easily ingested, high concentrations have been discovered in all age groups, with young adults on top of the list. And what activity do most young adults take part in? That's right, sex. And what is sex for? You got it, reproduction. Researchers at the University of Texas studied the effects of BPA on cell proliferation, specifically estrogenic activity. They concluded that BPA causes cells' proliferation rate to slow down, which causes estrogenic activity to vary. This then causes birth defects and even stillbirths in mammals. Are there any alternatives to BPA? There are many alternatives to BPA, but they all have the same problem. They're too dang expensive to produce, and not enough research has been done on them. One alternative to BPA that is used more than the others is BPS. Although this alternative is cheaper than the others, studies have shown that BPS may contribute to some brain deformities in infants, making plastic production companies question whether or not they should switch to the alternative resin. Which brings me to a call to action. Every single paper published studying the effects of BPA has had claims that BPA is an ovarian toxicant to animals. More research has to be done to find an alternative that is safer than BPA while still remaining inexpensive. But until then, BPA use in production should be limited. Food-grade materials should have little to no BPA in them. Plastics should be recycled properly so they do not end up in landfills, and society should be educated on the effects of BPA. It is for the environment, our generation, and the generations to come. Thanks for watching.